how to create a new calendar on Google Calendar. So for that, go to your browser and open up Google Calendar by typing in calendar.google.com. Obviously, you have to be signed in as well. So I have multiple calendars that work for me, but some I have already created. But how to create a new calendar, right? And here you can see in other calendars, we have a plus option. So click on plus and then click on create to new calendar. And right away, we are asked the name of the calendar. So for this, I will say moitechstation. Then I also want the description, right? Moitechstation calendar. So I've put in the name, the description. You can put in whatever you need. The owner, obviously, I am the owner. Time zone. So in my case, obviously, it's India. If in your case, it could be your home country or some other country that you're trying to sync with. After that, you can click on create calendar. So here you can see calendar creation is in process. It's not very difficult. It's very easy as well. And here you can see moitechstation successfully created. And then I can click on configure over here and I can do whatever I want. So I can make it available to the public if I want. I can click on OK and I can click on see all events or see only if busy or free. So in case you create an event with this calendar with your name in it, so people can either see whether you are free or busy, or they can see the entire event's details. So I'm just going to leave it at see all event details. And here you can see at the bottom, we also have shared with. So I can add people to this, correct? So let's say I want to add someone else as well. This is my other email. So I can just hit send. You can add multiple people to this and hit send. And I can also have event notification, let's say 10 minutes. That seems great. I don't want all day events on this. New events. And in this, I can have notifications. So if there is a new event, I can click on email. And every time I create a new event in this calendar, everyone that is included in the calendar gets an email. Changed events, cancelled events, all that is configurable from here. So calendar events, cancelled events, I would like to change and integrate calendar, correct? So after that, and I can set this all up. Now, if I go back, here you can see moitechstation is already created. Now, I want to change the color. I don't really like the color of this. So I will go with banana or yellow. And now every time I create a calendar, I'll create something. So I will say test. I will, if I want, I can just add guest. Guests I've already selected, so they can already see whatever is going on in my calendar, and I'll select moitechstation in this calendar. So I'll click save. The time I've set it at default, whatever it was. You can set it according to your needs, the time and date. So right away, we have moitechstation. So if I uncheck this, this event has gone away, and that is how it works. This was very easy. Hopefully you have found it helpful as well. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and do consider subscribing. See you in the next video.